I've now successfully put everything in here. Let's go out to my Tofino, which is conveniently named Bigfoot, and we'll mount this up and see what it looks like there, and then we'll further discuss the living in a bubble, one of their storage solutions that go on the back of your seats. Hold tight. All right, I'm out at my Tofino Bigfoot, and I've already connected up, and I'll take the camera off here and show you, but that nice pack that I stuffed so well, I put right on the back of the passenger seat, and I smartened up, and in my little day pack, I went ahead and put my boots, my dry boots. So I just threw this in the back here. I get to destination. I take this, I put on my boots. I grab the things out of here. I lace up, I get all ready. I go out to the river. I fall, I come back, and I need to dry off, and I need to get the stuff. So let's go ahead and take the camera off just so you can see that it connects to the back seat of my Pleasure-Way Tofino very well. Everything's compact and in a nice orderly fashion, which I absolutely love. And if I can stay on it, I'll keep it that way. So on the back of the seat, I've got the living in a bubble all set. You can see the way that I've got the net in there. It's nice and compact. And then all my rods are easily accessible from the top. I know what name rod they are. And if I need to get to something, I can go ahead and take out the stuff. So let me go ahead and put this back out here. I'm gonna somewhat kind of wrap up this video. There we go. Okay, so I'm at the imaginary river. The river, River Why? That's a movie, actually. So I get here and I want to take out the net. So I've got my net ready. I put that over here, and then I just pop open and I start grabbing stuff out of the pack. And I go out and fish. So I've got my rod. I chose this one. And I've got all of my little ancillary things, towels, blankets, you name it. It's all in here. But I need to go fishing, so I need to take this with me and my forceps. Let me get the forceps out of here. So forceps, net, all the basics. My fly rod, good, check. My boof, you know, the boofs that do this, and you can get them all set up so you can keep the sun off of my balding head. And then you go out and fish, you get skunked, but not in my case, because I kick butt when I fish, especially Tenkara. I should, I've been doing it for 15 years. I go out and I fish, and I come back sopping wet. So I immediately grab the towel that I left pleasantly ready for me there, and I start dabbing the sweat off of my head because I hiked back a long ways. And then I can grab in here if I need to, the big towel, because I'm not gonna strip down for you folks, but you know, you can get the drift, you dry off. I got the change of clothes at the bottom. Everything is in a nice orderly fashion. And then when I'm all said and done, I drive home, I get home and I go, okay, I just wanna recollect myself. I wanna send pictures of all the fish that I caught, but I wanna disconnect this and take it into the house. So on the bottom, there's just a strap. I've shown a close-up of this with the unboxing, but there's an easy-to-get-to strap that just comes off like such. And then I put my net up here so I don't step on it. And then there's one little latch up here that you disconnect. It's a quick disconnect. Like so. Easily step down out of the vehicle. And now I've got everything in here. Any of the wet stuff I take into the garage and get cleaned and washed off. But living in a bubble, this thing is going to see some good action this summer and fall when I get out and do my Tenkara fly fishing. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. This is going to be my first time using this in this fashion, so I may refine over time, but I think this is going to work really well. I can pretty much put everything I really need in here for quick access. I've got towels, I've got everything to kind of get myself there and back and be happy. But if you want to get something like this for your fly fishing or for your laundry needs or van life or whatever it is you do, give one of these a whirl. I think I'm going to enjoy it, and you'll probably as well. So thanks for watching. Bye.